How to use split screen multitasking on Windows 10. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use split screen multitasking on your Windows 10 PC. Split screen mode allows you to work with multiple apps side by side, making it easier to multitask and boost your productivity. Let's get started. First, open the applications or windows you want to view side by side. You can do this by clicking on their icons in the taskbar or opening them from the Start menu. Click and hold the title bar of the first window you want to snap to one side of the screen. Drag it to the left or right edge of your screen until you see a transparent outline. Release the mouse button to snap the window to that side. Now, open the second window and do the same thing, but to the opposite side of the screen. You can adjust the size of the window by clicking and dragging the divider line between them. This allows you to allocate more space to one app if needed. To exit split screen mode, click and drag either window to the edge of the screen until it snaps back to its original size. Alternatively, press the Windows key plus up arrow to maximize the active window. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use split screen multitasking on Windows 10. There is also another method. You can just choose the app you want to split and then press the Windows key and press a side button either to the left or to the side, and that will put the windows to the side you choose. Thank you for watching. This feature makes it easier to work with multiple apps simultaneously. Don't forget to subscribe.